steadier.
It does? How the hell am I supposed to video?
Van Meter, long again, Deputy 35 hours.
Hit the send button.
Hello? Hello?
That's all. Keep Van Meter.
And that rough duty. Yeah, hell, Keith told us he was gonna put. Hell, Dallas, he ain't gonna do with his shit either. I don't know, he's got an H, pulling 4,500 pounds. Well, I didn't think he was gonna do with his shit. Now he's doing better. They still use this thing on the farm. He's about done.
Now it's all. 8 trauma, he's done right there.
With Molly, this son of a bitch ain't running with his shit. He can't even get the damn sled to move. Oh, what the hell's wrong with him? Don't tell Daycat. Yeah, he's got a Moline G. They're here. His Uncle Brad's gonna pull it. He got a first and a third.
That's all.
Like Jarman from Rushville. They both pulled 211 feet and 1,700. So they got pulled off. They got quite a
This is David Risselman. Him and Larry Drummond are far off the first base.
Hey, asshole.
They tried to get him to flip forward, and now we're all pull it off. Now they got to hurry up and go back and throw a 1,000-pound weight on it because they're looking at the next class.
Yeah, I guarantee you it will be. I just, unless we get a shitload of rain. Dusty Myers. No, Rusty, Robbie Stewart, that's who I was talking to. AKA Dickhead. No, Dusty. Run the pole.
Okay, Larry Drummond, the Amish builder's all ready. He's going for the goal. David Risselman won 189.7. Larry Drummond.
Yeah, Dave, he's
I got to be neutral. Although I want to see the Owls win, I got to be neutral.
Yeah, he's pulling in this fall. He's got all of
This one 189.7. Larry Drummond, the Amish builders. Got to go at least 189.71 to win. I think he did it. I think he did it. I think he did it. He crawled his way through the hole. I think he did it.
Right. Yeah.
That's the problem. 88, Joe Burwinkle.
No, I think I'm just going to leave it on there.
I have got some
leave them on there.
up here at the tower for the Union City, Ohio poll. I got 2 for the Dark County Fair poll, and I've got some.
I don't know. I think we're going to go. I think you guys are going to go through all this for nothing.
Big Dark County Fair tractor pull itself in the 25th of the Dark County tractor.
You can do that if you want to, but it's going to get rained out. I'm afraid. They got a 50% chance of rain now, and the way it looks, I was looking at that hurricane. It's going to come right up, right in the middle of us. I mean, it just depends on when it gets here.
State Congress, they come in on Tuesday night, and this will be the 24th year for them at the Great Valley County Fair.
Well, yeah, I mean,
We've got a whole
I don't know. I mean, that thing, I don't think that's going to make a whole lot of difference, really. I mean, other than opening that, well, you're opening that 4-barrel up. But I'm also pulling, huh?
And 6,500-pound antique.
But I'm also pulling with a stock transmission.
Yeah, and follow. Get 34 in this class. So, gentlemen, we need you to get right up and be ready to go. Dan Scott. Connersville. Mike Hall, Indiana, the Farnell Super M, you're next. Tim Beezer. Chris Burwinkle. Bob Jarman. Morris True. Phil Myers. David Cox. Dale Morgan. I never heard it. This is Mike Arnold out of Okeana High, the Super M Farmall. 20401, your new leader, Dan Scott. 20401. This is Mike Arnold. Super M Farmall. Okeana High, down southwest of Hamilton, Middletown area. Next guy out will be Tim Beezer out of Hamilton, Ohio. Chris Burwinkle, Bob Jarman. I don't think Jarmans are back yet. They're loading up their weights. Chris Burwell rectified the